Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. If you have any kind of car, this is my top 5 choice on the vehicle you have to own. Let's take a look to one by one, and you guys gonna tell me which one you wanna bother to spend the money, which one is just a bullshit, right? Let's take a look. Number one, my choice always, it was a radar detector. All right, as you can see, I have an old one radar detector. This one is gonna go to my friend. I'm gonna give to him. He's gonna save tons of money, right, from the future. All right, this is a brand new radar system I'm gonna install today, and I will enjoy this one because this one is invisible for the radar detectors. It's gonna be updates for always through the USB firmware. You can just download to USB. You don't need to bring your radar connector, so it's a lot easier. New technologies, right? And it's gonna be like a false alarms on this one. I have to like every time they click, but this one's gonna be memorized. For example, you're passing by all the time at the supermarket, the false alarm, right? You know how the radar system works. If you don't know, I'm gonna give you the more detailed review about this guy. It's gonna go to my vehicle, and this one is paid itself like 4 or 5 times. So many times when I'm driving the highway, it's gonna start to alarms goes off, and I slow down and I see a lot of times the cops sitting there. So make sure you guys have 360 like this or this one. Then make sure both sides gonna shoot, and then make sure you have laser detection also on the radar system, right? It comes very nice. I don't know why you need the case. Once I installed, it's gonna stay there, but they include very nice case, and this is the radar detector itself. Let's quick take a look. Between my old radar, it's paid itself like 5 times already, and yeah, it's gonna be same screen, is nothing different, but we're gonna see how this one is gonna work. So there's a lot of good reviews, a lot of people happy with this radar system with the XP, and yeah, this is my number one choice every car guy has to own. All right, number 2, it's gonna be Locktor. Locktor has a lot of good stuff, and this is one of them. Just Locktor JA3000, 150 PSI, powerful, all-in-one, like 3-in-1 device. So what do you have here? You have a nice LED lighting. I have to turn on first. All right, my favorite. I'm gonna take it off all my old compressor, all that stuff, and it comes with the nice, the beautiful, the screen, and you have a bright light with the, you know, many lumens with the different kind of switch. And as you can see, you have a huge output here. I'm gonna show you in a minute. And you have a USB because it has a huge battery inside, USB-C to fast charge. Also, you have here the super power output, so you can pump your tires, you can pump your a lot of good stuff. In the box you have, look at this nice pouch. In the pouch you have a bunch of stuff right here. As you can see, different adapters for the pump. This is professional grade pump. As you can see, you can pump your vehicle up to 150 psi, and this is a main unit from that guy from Locktor JA3000. You can jump start up any V8 vehicles like up to 6 or 8 liters, right? It's a powerful module built in inside. So if you car guy like me, you have to own one of these. It's a little pricey. I put the links in the description, but you're not gonna regret when you're having your AAA. It's gonna take forever to come, at least 2 hours if your the tires out or your batteries died. So when you have this kind of stuff, you just jump it and you're ready to go. Let's go to number 3. This is oil catch can. Look, I didn't spend a lot of money. I went to New York and back another day, and I didn't open inside yet. Watch. I'm opening like first time in 2,000 miles. Maybe less than 2,000 miles, I don't know. So you're gonna unscrew this, very easy to take it off, and watch what I have inside. That's a lot of oil, guys, a lot of oil. If you have any vehicle with the turbos or the V8s, you have to install oil catch can. Imagine all these oils, it's a lot of oils, watch, in the 2,000 miles. It's brand new vehicles, like less than 20,000 miles, right? A lot of oils is catch it. Why I'm talking about these oils too much, right? These guys can pay itself 1, 2, 3, like after like 5,000, because these all the oils, it goes back to your intake, and it's all the oils is gonna collect on top of your valves. So the valves is gonna get all the oils, it's gonna build up on the top. You're gonna have misfire, you're gonna have worse the gas mileage, all that stuff, right? So it's gonna bring a lot of problems. If you have a turbo engines, number 1, 2, you have to do it. You gotta install oil catch can. I gotta put it back what I have to do. And when I go home, I didn't think it's gonna be that much, but it's a lot. So I gotta empty this one. Addition to the catch can, I didn't spend like for the brand name, all the craps. It's quality wise, so side by side it's gonna be exactly the same. I spent it on 35 bucks for this, and it works perfect every single time. It's collecting a lot of oil, and I'm happy. Next item on the vehicle. I keep telling you guys, even 90 degrees outside, I'm trying to tell you, like, you have to install one of these items. You tell me number what it's gonna have to be dash cams, right? Dash cams, dash cams. I did so many videos, a lot of like crackheads outside, insurance scammers, a lot of things happens, you know, on the road. If you're traveling like me, a lot of times, different states, definitely, even you travel to the work and back, you have to need some kind of dash cams, right? I have a 3-channel dash cam. It records the front, it records the back. The back is 1080p, front is 4K, and one camera it's gonna record my internals. If it's a cop stops, if I'm talking with them, it records. Make sure you have a nice microphone dash cam and a nice quality dash cam so you can catch the license plates. I put the links on the description. They're very good ones, but I personally like them. And you can choose what you can buy, but you have to have one of these items. Let's go for the next item. Next item you have to install on your vehicle. This is a blower, right? This is my personal device. Oh my God. It puts up a lot of air, but this is not gonna install. Next item is gonna be your lightings, guys, lightings. I have a LEDs on my vehicle. It's for the large SUV, but when I install the lightings under it, because I don't have a fog lights built in the LEDs, the fog lights, all that stuff, right? I installed it, I did the detailed review about the LASFITs, and I use every single day, no matter where I'm gonna drive. It puts up tons of power, tons of lights, like lights up entire like area when I'm driving, and I will love it. So you have to install one kind of lighting system, and you will be enjoying. Let's go, lighting, right? Because I love the front, the lighting system on the front, I love the attic on the back. So I add the Nilight. The front, it was a LASFIT. I had the Nilight, the small ones, because I had the big ones. I didn't like how the big ones are sticking out too much. I added this lighting bar. This is from the Nilight. It's only the 3-inch, very, very small. It doesn't look like huge, it's sticking out, but it puts up a lot of power. It lights up entire neighborhood, entire area. And every time I'm backing up, or every time I'm stopping somewhere, every time I park my vehicle, coming to the vehicle, when I unlock the vehicle, it puts up tons of power, the lights on the both sides, so I can see entire like area, like daytime, right? Super bright LEDs on the back, right? This is aftermarket LEDs, super bright LEDs, and you're gonna have that much light output. So I close these guys up, you're gonna open, and you're gonna see the difference. It's like 100 times better. Entire house you can see, entire backyard you can see, so it's like a lot better. So they offer also the combo version for the off-roading. You can install on the hood, on the front. Also you can add these ones, like I added the big ones on the front. You can add this one on the front, or you just install on the back like I did for the back half, the views, all that stuff. So I love it. It comes with all the harness, with the wiring harness, everything, and it's worth it for the money. Nilight, back in the days when they the first time they start, quality wasn't that much. Now they like boost the quality way higher, but it's the price, it's affordable. Still, it's one of the best affordable LED light bars in Amazon, right? All right, look at how bright is that backlight. Entire that house is lit up. If a person is passing by, you can see it like clear. This is a very clean backup system, but as you can see, it makes 10 or 20 times better to see surroundings. All right, this is what it comes with the Nilight, 10 watts, 2 pieces, right? 1160 lumens. All right, 18 locks on the 10 meter. All right, it comes thank you note. As you can see, these companies grown a lot. I remember when they started back in the days, I spent a lot of money for Rigid Industries, but the Nilight, it was the cheapest to offer LEDs. But now it's as you can see with this, stuff. As you can see with this stuff, they step up a lot with the games. This is wire harness. It comes with the wire harness. Only thing on the wire harness, they offer the multiple different ones. This one's you're gonna make hole, just to make the 1/4 inch hole, and you're gonna just stick it. It's gonna be just a turn on and out, and the light on it here. And these ones just a plug and play. It's enough length for any vehicle. You can have enough space. It comes with the relay. Is wired already with the heat shrink. It comes with the fuse. So this is very nice wire harness. So it's an extra large terminal, so you can connect for any vehicles. You have extra 3 fuse if you messed up one. This is a mounting bracket. As you can see, stainless steel, the bolt and nuts, so you're not gonna have any rust anytime soon. As you can see, unit itself, now they're using a different technology, as they have a rubber insert inside, and these all I think is replaceable, and you can just unscrew if you get fog and clean it. But you're not gonna get fog, because before they used to do different style. I have older one. A lot of people has the problem with the old ones, but the new ones so far is good. As you can see, nice quality chip, and we're gonna go out and test how the light perform. Right, yeah, this is another product from Nilight. If you guys interested, let me know. I'm gonna get a lot more from them, and I will review newer models, newer products, right? I like this guy. So Nitecore, they used to do a lot of flashlights. Now they go into movie industry, so you can do this kind of device. Like I did the review. My favorite right now is always in my backpack. Even if I'm riding the motorcycle, I put the links on the description. The powerful blower, so you can blow off everything, everything around it. So the next item, please let me know what you guys think. Canon air filter. It's not gonna be expensive for you. Just a drop in the air filters. So that's gonna last you 1 million miles. So it's gonna be a one-time purchase for your vehicle life, and you're gonna just take it off every like 10,000 miles. Where I live, it's very clean. Even if I take every 10,000 miles, it's nothing inside. I take my blower, I blow out everything inside, the leaves, and that's it. I install it. Or you can wash it, or you can do it. But I'm getting with this setup, actually the tube, I have a Canon, right? This is the intake system, and the drop-in. Just the drop-in, it's give me on the highway 2 miles per gallon, right? So it's gonna be pay off in the long run. It's gonna pay off 100%, but your engine is gonna run a lot nicer. You're gonna get the better gas mileage. With the catch can, you're gonna enjoy your clean valves. So all that stuff, it's gonna pay itself, except a couple items I'm gonna add in the next future, right? All right, so those are my top 5, and plus some additions. Please let me know what you guys think and what I have to bring for the next video. What is your choice for the top 5? All these items gonna pay itself. Some of them it's gonna pay itself right away after the first year. Some of them it's gonna be paid off for a long run, and some of them it's gonna help you in your life a lot. So it's 90 degrees outside. We're gonna go home, take a shower, and enjoy the time. Comment below what you guys think. I put the links on the description, all the items, and I'm gonna bring you another top 5 very soon. I'm out. Also in the next video, guys.